If you want to check or download Karnataka revenue maps online, this video will help you step by step. First, open your browser and go to landrecords.karnataka.gov.in/service3. This is the official SSLR revenue maps portal of the Karnataka government. Once the page opens, look for the revenue maps option and click on it. Now you need to select your location details. First, choose your district, then select the Taluk. After that, choose the Hobli, and finally select the village. Make sure you select them in order and wait for each drop-down to load. After selecting the village, choose the map type like Village Map or Cadastral Map, depending on what is available. Then click on View or Search. The revenue map will open on your screen, usually as a PDF file. From here, you can easily download the map or print it for your records. This map is very useful for land verification, survey reference, and property-related work. No login is required to view the map, but for certified copies, you may need to visit the Revenue Office. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more Karnataka property and land record updates.